Are you ready to make a positive change in your life and achieve success? Introducing Kaizen, a powerful method that can transform your life, one small step at a time. But what exactly is Kaizen, and why is it so effective? Kaizen comes from the Japanese term meaning change for better, and it has been embraced by major corporations worldwide. These techniques can be applied to any aspect of your life, whether at work or at home. By implementing Kaizen, you can skyrocket your productivity and foster an environment of innovation. Imagine how these same principles can help you improve your own life and boost your enthusiasm. With Kaizen, you'll gain a whole toolkit to take small, yet aggressive steps towards improving your environment. The secret ingredient of Kaizen lies in taking one small step at a time. By gradually adding success after success, you'll build your confidence and change your whole attitude. Not only will you benefit, but those around you will also notice the positive changes in you. You'll become a joy to be around, inspiring and motivating those in your circle. Kaizen is all about continuous improvement, always striving to be better than before. It's not about striving for perfection, but rather making progress each and every day. So, how can you start implementing Kaizen in your life? The first step is to set clear and specific goals for yourself. Break down those goals into small, manageable tasks that you can tackle one at a time. Commit yourself to take action on these tasks every day, no matter how small they may be. Celebrate each accomplishment, no matter how small it may seem. This positive reinforcement will fuel your motivation and drive you forward. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your success. But with the Kaizen approach, you're steadily building the foundation for your dreams to come true. So, are you ready to embrace Kaizen and take that first small step towards a better life? Start today and watch as your life transforms, one small step at a time. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing, and keep inviting abundance into your life.